Hello, my name is Hani, Israel, and I am a spiritual teacher and the owner of a spiritual center that's called the School of the Wisdom of Lemuria, a Mastery School. And I'm taking every year a lot of people to initiation, to transformation around the world. Israel is a very spiritual place, but there is wonderful places in the planet, in our earth, that we can rise our frequency and do a lot of transformation. The unique place that I'm taking every year for the 9 year of sacred journey is to Mount Shasta. It's in the United States, near you, near Oregon and California. Yes, we're doing all the way from Israel, all the time of the flights, to come and to be in the energetic fields in Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta is a healing place. It cures all our karma. We're doing a workshop for 10 days. It's 9 days. Yes, the 10th day we are landing in Israel. So 9 days, very intensive, very powerful, with a vigorous energy, with wonderful nature. It's forest, it's water, it's falls, it's wonderful lake, and the place that the native like. So, why to come to Mount Shasta? Why to come from far away? Because there is a unique energy, a pure energy that balance all over our body, that balance our mind, that cure all of our suffer and pains, and make us more balanced to take care of our future. So I invite you to come in this summer in July. We are coming 22 in July and we are leaving in 31 of July. So come with me, join us to Israeli group, קצת לדבר עברית, talk Hebrew, be with Israeli group to remember your source. Thank you. Sending my love, Hani.